Well people, welcome to the channel. Got in the boot the car at the minute. Loads of wraps of worms, look at them bad boys. Absolutely loads. I've got load in my bag and all. Right, so today, obviously, you'll know by now that I'm fishing with Fish Hunter UK, but so I'm going to be fishing Whitley Bay Beach. It's the first for me. Massive thanks to Mark for the information on how to fish it, where to fish. So big things up, Mark. I do apologise for the wind. I haven't brought a brolly with us or nothing today. It's just pure cod fishing, so you have to bear with the elements just like I will. I think it's about 20 to 25 mile an hour southeasterly, blowing straight in at us. I opened the car door to have a look before and stood up and my eyeballs nearly blew out the sockets. So let's get among them fish. Come on, in touch. I don't know what's going on, people. That reel there, nightmare. I got a thing, went over the top and locked over my finger. This 40-pound line straight through, like so. Well, I've just been on the phone to Rhys and had a crack and bite. Now it's come back just yet. It's probably some whitey laid on, not my luck. Sea's lovely. St Mary's Lighthouse, I think it is. I'm not sure. I'm only about an hour and 10 minutes from home, so it's actually quite ideal here, to be fair. It's about the same time to get to Maryport. I'll have to bring Toothless down here. I'll let you know how we get on. Now we're on South Shields Pier now, having a blast. We'll be able to catch some bloody fish. What about mark 33 roughly? Up the top end's chock-a-block. Don't know who these two are, you like? Any idea? Just have a sack them. So we'll see if we get any fish out. Just keep reeling, you sexy beast. Keep that rod tip high, out them rocks. Fish is a fish.
There's a fucking fish on there, mate.
Yeah. First cast for Fish Hunter. Hey, a little mop.
Cut the tiny little caps, that. Lovely jubbly.
Can't be handling this back on the beating the Northerner again, mind.
Oh yeah.
Nice one, Rhysy boy. Look at the fat gut in it, like.
Yeah, mate, they're full up with fucking crab and also. Sorry, you pulled it.
I am, I.
Sorry.
I'll have to beep that.
Sorry.
Get on there. The fish are here anyway.
Nice.
Well done, pal. Beating us once again. I need to get my finger out. I've worm and mussel on that one there. I've just chucked out. Next one is James's cart wings. Look at them bad boys, belters. James was saying the other day, people's got been complaining that they're too big. But if they're too big, just cut them in half. Simple, innit? You could eat that, it's like a soup. Get on there. Well everybody, I haven't blanked. Nice little mop, nicely hooked in the mouth. How gives me hook back mush? I'm getting a hook in my finger. Feel your pain, matter. It's just not going out. That's on a worm and mussel on South Shields Pier. Let's get this hook out. There we go. Look at that. Jackpot. What a tidy fish. That's one. One to me, one to Rhys. None for Craig yet, but they will come. We'll put this little beast back. Rhys! Well people, I've just had a cracking bite then on the worm. Sorry for the wind. Sound a bit like that. See if it comes back. And if it does, I'll let you know. Tide's starting to push now, so hopefully the fish will come on a bit better. Well everyone, that's it from me. That's 3 sets. I've just snapped my lines, just snapping before I don't know what's wrong with it. I need to strip it all down and sort it all out. Never mind. Cheers for watching. Catch you in a bit.